Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Mechanics. Super cool, quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the air suspension or the air suspension compressor fuses relays are located on that generation Jeep Cherokee. Please do not waste any money on parts tools diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. There will be multiple fuses and relays controlling the system. We need to check all of them. And after that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmission codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these free videos. By the way, guys, if you have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a V6 3.6 engine, guys, we'll have video on that engine, replacing, taking it completely apart, replacing almost any component you can think of, transmission as well. Why we do that? To save you money. Check it out. All this video will be on the channel, guys. In addition, on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Air suspension, guys, fuses, relays come to explain what we need to check here on that Jeep Grand Cherokee. Quick advice, guys, you have two different kinds of fuse boxes depending on the year, but what we first need to do, we'll talk about each one of those. Open the hood. Once you open the hood, you see here on the passenger side, that's the main engine fuse box. Press the tabs together, leave the cover up, and guys, underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here if you have a 2014 to 2022. Now, if you have a 2011 to 13, you have that layout. We'll talk about those, but before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good, you end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. For 2014 to 2022, guys, what we need to check, things may differ a little bit, but the main fuse will be fuse number, talking here now, F5, that fuse. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit so you can see this fuse right here. We are not done, guys, we have more. We need to check fuse number 50. So you wonder where that fuse number 50 is located. Well, that's 19, 20, 50. Right here, that 20 amp fuse will need to be checked as well. Then you need to check fuse number 87. And 87, guys, okay, coming this way now, will be this fuse right here. That's fuse number 87. What about the relay? Relay will be known as relay K3, that relay right here. If you have a 2011 to 2013, things will differ a little bit. We need to check, guys, okay, specifically in that case, fuse number J2, and where is that fuse now? Coming here, it will be that fuse right here, okay, J2, and then you need to check fuse number M15. M15 will be, let me double check here now, okay, so that will be right here, M30, okay, M38, that's M33, M15, this fuse right here. There is limited information exactly which relay it is for that specific year and model. Check all of them, but those are the main components that we usually check at the shop if you, the garage here, if you have problems with the air suspension. guys, as you can see, this Jeep Grand Cherokee has all kinds of different fuses, relays, JKs, mini blade fuses, the CB fuses, different kinds of relays as well, depending on the year and model, they may differ, but some of those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. That's why, guys, what we recommend, we always keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the links in the description of the video below, check it out, where we get most of our tool supplies from as well. We can get fuses, relays usually at a good price there as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Thank you for watching and see you next time.